Hello and welcome to the Virolo Corporate Messenger. I'm Veroslav Vorontsov, software developer and software architect of the Virolo project. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy the Virolo Corporate Messenger on your own server. So let's get started. Here I have a freshly installed Debian Linux that's connected to the internet and has a real static IP address. For the purposes of this video, I'm using a virtual private server in its minimal configuration. Actually, using a virtual private server is the cheapest way to get started with Virolo. To download the installation package, I'll use the wget command, same as suggested on the Virolo website. Okay, the download has been completed successfully, and I'll install the Virolo server from this package using the apt command. I'll just copy-paste the apt command from the Virolo website into the Linux command prompt and run it. The installation process may take some time to download all necessary libraries and dependencies. The installer is asking if I want to configure the Virolo server. The answer is yes. The next question is, do I want to run the Virolo server as a system service? The answer is yes. And the next question, do I want to create a new Linux user and run the Virolo server on behalf of this user? The answer is yes. The installer is asking me IP address at which the Virolo server will listen. In my case, this is the IP address of my Debian Linux machine. Additionally, I have to set a TCP port. I'll use the default value 7777. The next question, do you want to start the Virolo server now? The answer is yes. And congratulations, your Virolo server is up and running. To connect to our Virolo server from the Virolo client, we need to use these login credentials: host, port, username, and password. The Virolo client has successfully logged in. All that's left is to create new user accounts for your team members, to bring them together into your own self-hosted corporate messenger.